In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the antenna bezel on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Unscrew the antenna mast assembly using a flat blade screwdriver. Get behind the light, pop it out, pull it down. We don't want to put a lot of tension on these wires. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws for the plastic bezel. One more on the other side. Pull down the plastic bezel. Using a T25 bit, we're going to remove the screw for the antenna base. Remove the antenna base. Install the antenna base. Tighten down the screw inside of the vehicle for the antenna base. Get the bolt snug. Make sure that the metal bracket is lined up for the holes. Install the screws for the trim piece. Install the light. Install the antenna. Make sure it's nice and tight, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.